Hello, my name is Gannon May, and today I'm going to show you how to make the ball with the Rubiks 24 piece. So first you're going to take this top red piece, and you're going to go down like that. Then you're going to take this black piece, and you're going to go down with that, like that. Then you're going to take this red piece in there, and you're going to go down with that. Then you're going to take this black piece, and you're going to go down with that. Now, you're going to go twist this way. Then, you're going to go down with it, like that. Then, you're going to go this way, for it to be like that. And then you're going to go up like that. Now you're going to twist this black part so that these two can put together be a diamond. Like that. Okay, then you're going to turn this down. Then you're going to take this, go in. Then you're going to go up and do the same thing where these two black pieces are going in. Like this. Then you're going to go down again, and instead of going this way, we're going to go this way. We're going to go down like that, and up, and then you have to push on this and go like that. Then, when you have it like this, you're going to go up, boom, boom, and then you're going to push in the black and push it against. That way these two are good. Now you're almost done, and you're going to push in. You're going to make sure twist this black piece this way, and then you're going to push in so that these two blacks are connected like this. And now you're going to twist this black piece like that, and then you're going to twist this red piece in and push. Thanks for watching.